Alright guys, so we're gonna be replacing the choke on this Milwaukee hammer drill. On this one I had a lot of problems trying to break loose the screw that goes in the middle. This one is a T35 and I keep damaging the Allen wrench. So I end up cutting the chock just enough so I can see the bolt and maybe get it with some pliers or cut it and get it with a chisel. So anyway, you'll see right now where I cut it, and this was way quicker. I spent so much time trying to heat up the bolt because I was thinking the Loctite they put in there from factory, it got stuck in there. So I heat up the bolt, and it wouldn't work. I tried different torques, and I keep damage my torque tools. So this was the fastest way to get it out basically. Keep watching. Okay, so here we can see the bolt, and we're gonna cut on the size. You'll see right now. You have to cut kind of like at an angle so you don't damage your actual drill. So I just put it to the side like 45 degrees, and that's how you kind of have to cut it. You'll see right now. And from here, I'm just removing all the little pieces that we have inside. There's like some type of bearings. Um, so just get everything out of the way so you can break it loose once you remove the little bolt. Here, I was just trying to get those little pieces out, like the little bearings, like I told you guys. So I'm gonna try to hit it with a chisel and maybe break it loose like that. We'll see. We'll see what's the easiest way. It took me a little while, but I feel like this was the easiest way. Here I'm clearing a little bit more on the top of the little gear that you see there, so to be able to see the bolt a little bit more clear. Okay, here is with a little bit of close-up. There it is. It almost seems like I can get the bolt from here with an Allen wrench, man. Alright, so it seems like I'm gonna be able to use an Allen wrench. I already tried it, and we're gonna be using a 5mm Allen wrench. Remember, this type of bolt, it has a thread that is reversible. So meaning that instead of lefty loose to loosen the ball, you have to go right, like if you're gonna tighten the ball. So if you're looking at it here, I'm going counterclockwise. There it is, guys, already broke loose. That's what we needed. I feel like once you're able to see the ball and what's going on, it's easier. Look at this, you can see the Loctite in there. Remember, this is a reverse thread. Now we're gonna have to remove this. Alright, so we're gonna be using some heavy equipment tools here. I'm not sure what this tool it's called, but I use it to like hold like dry shafts or pipes, things like that. If you know what's the name of this tool, put it in the comments. Let's check it out. Easy with this tool. I'm trying to get it off, but it's kind of stuck in there. Anyway, we just have to turn it and take it out slowly. At least we got it out. That was the main thing. This is the original part number. Okay, so now we have the new one here. We're gonna go ahead and install the screw. And this one has to be installed as if you loosen a regular bolt. Alright. Alright guys, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions on this process, put it in the comments. We'll see you on the next one. Try to be better every day.